Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and this video it's gonna be a tutorial about the TikTok basic tutorial, and I will let to show to you the way how to repost a video content on a TikTok on your account. So the first thing you have to do now is just go open your TikTok application, and you can sign in or log in with your account that you use for daily. And sometimes whenever we play TikTok, of course we will jump into the home section and we will looking for several content, just watching, scroll down all the day long to find the good video for us to be watched. And whenever you already found one video, let's say this video is about tutorial and a vlog of some influencer in Indonesia, and if you want to repost this video, since this video is really interesting to watch, the thing that you have to do is just go take a look on the right side right here. There will be like several options here. One is for love or like this video, comments, save and share. So to repost this video, you just need to go click this right arrows here, and after that you just need to take a look on this line. You'll see there is a repost button with the yellow color here, and then you just need to go click it, and this video is already reposted from on your TikTok, so that your follower will be able to see this video on their page of the TikTok. So that is the way how to repost a TikTok video on iOS or iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.